Hello and welcome to the Great North Gardener. Here you can find help in starting and creating a garden for your home. Planting a tree. Planting a tree can be a simple process. Here I have a fruit cocktail tree. Step 1. Dig your planting hole. What you need to plant the tree is a shovel and a fork to break up any clay soil in the ground. As a general rule, dig deeper than the depth of the container you buy the tree in. The hole should also be 3 inches wider than the width of the container. Keep the soil that you dig because you'll reincorporate this with fresh soil later. Step 2. Preparing the root ball. Remove excess packing materials around the base of the tree. Remove the pot. If necessary, gently loosen the soil roots if they're tightly bunched together to keep your tree grown in solid. Step 3. Time to fertilize. Add transplant fertilizer or bone meal fertilizer to the planting hole to help promote better root growth. Set your tree in the center of the hole. Orient the tree so the most attractive side of the tree faces where it will be seen most as it grows over the years. Step 4. Fill the hole. Backfill the hole with compost or decent gardening soil mix. With soil from the planting hole, tamp the soil and water well. This is also a good time to install some pest control before you fill the hole fully. Placing a netting around will stop small animals chewing on the soft bark and damaging your new tree. If you want to see more of my episodes, search for the Great North Gardener or subscribe.